Hi Rebels. We're watching a movie and we're gonna make some popcorn. Okay? So here's Juju, and she already took the wrapper off the popcorn, and now she's gonna put it in the microwave. Good. How long? Oh, there's a button that says popcorn. So you press that, and it starts on its own. Then you just wait. There's the popcorn. You also listen for the pops, and when it stops and it's longer than like 5 seconds, then you should stop it early so it doesn't burn. Okay? It doesn't give you a timer, huh? Not this one. No. In the meantime, you can get the bowl that you're gonna put the popcorn in. I heard the first pop. It's starting to pop. And the wrapper is gonna get bigger. It starts popping. Whoa. When it comes out, just be careful and make sure there's 18 seconds left that you don't burn yourself because it's going to be hot. Okay, press the button, pull it out, and the wrapper, and voila. Be careful when you're putting it in the bowl so it doesn't spill all over the place. And there you go. And that's how you make popcorn. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye.